there's a difference between commitment and dedication. Commitment can be formal, but dedication is always informal. In dedication, a person is inspired by his own virtues. So, our next topic is dedication to public service. Now, to understand this, first of all, we must understand what dedication means. Now, it's a very subjective idea, and you can say that it's a quality. It's a quality of being able to give your time, your energy, your effort, or completely yourself to fulfill a particular goal or to serve a particular person or an event or object. All right. So you can say that dedication is the highest form of commitment. That is commitment plus passion and love. Dedication is an informal idea. It has an internal locus of control. It cannot be, we cannot make a person dedicated through the use of laws and rules. It comes from the conscience of a person. Right? Like, see, sometimes commitment suggests that, like, commitment can be of two types, formal and informal commitment. Informal commitment, let's say you have signed a contract with a company that the company can send you to any place in India. Now you are posted in Andaman and Nicobar. You don't want to go there, but just because you are obligated by the contract, you have signed it. Under that commitment, formal commitment, you are going there, but your heart is not there. Your positive emotions are not coming in. All right. So that is a case of formal commitment, but dedication is not there in such cases. Many times we see that husband and wife in India, they are living together just because they are committed to the institution of marriage, but they are not dedicated to each other. Are you getting this thing? Like a police officer, he do not register FIR. Why? Because he wants to maintain the crime rate in his district at lower levels. In police officers, they are committed to maintain law and order in their area of jurisdiction, but they are not dedicated to the idea of crime-free society. Here I can also give you example of Bhishma. Bhishma was committed to the throne of Hastinapur, but his dedication lied with Pandavas. That is why he himself told how he can be killed to the Pandavas. Why a person will tell this thing to his enemies? Because he was dedicated more to the Pandavas. Got it? So there's a difference between commitment and dedication. Commitment can be formal, but dedication is always informal. In dedication, a person is inspired by his own virtues. He is inspired by his own ideals or the ideals of the constitution or state. And that internal motivation guides him into the right direction. But commitment, its source can be outside also, like a formal agreement or like a pledge with Bhishma to Bhishma Pratigya he is known for. So because he was obliged by that pledge, That is why he was committed to the throne. So I hope you're understanding dedication. Okay. So you can write down few lines also. You can write that dedication is the quality. Dedication is the quality of being able to give or apply one's time, attention or self entirely to a particular activity, cause or person. Full stop. Dedication is the highest form of commitment. That is commitment with passion and love. Full stop. Sometimes commitment suggests that one is bound or obligated or obliged, you can say one is bound or obliged because he has made a pledge or a promise through a formal agreement. Full stop. However, in case of dedication, comma, a person is inspired by the sense of duty, and his ideals, or the ideals of the state or society. Like a civil servant, he can be inspired by the ideals of constitution, republic, socialism, secularism, liberty, justice, fraternity. So he can be inspired by these things. Alright. One more thing you can write, that dedication also includes perseverance. Which means, for perseverance you can write down the meaning, which means steady persistence shown in achieving a particular goal, despite of difficulties and discouragement. Full stop. In the end, you can write that dedication makes a difference in an individual's motivation in achieving his goals, and the length of measure he will take just to achieve it.